Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you a story about Sophia the First Magic Class. Let us begin. A magician puts on a show for the prince and the princesses. I wish I could do magic, Sophia says. We have a magic class tomorrow at Royal Prep, says Amber. The next day, Amber learns how to turn an apple into a dove. I think my apple is broken, says Sophia. What should I do? Sophia asks Fauna. Practice, 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 Fauna replies. Sophia goes home to practice, but she still can't get the spell to work. Can I eat the apple now? Clover asks. Amber wants to help. Try saying the spell more slowly, she says. I'll try, says Sophia. Thanks, Amber. The next day at school, Sophia waves her wand over the apple and says the magic words, but nothing happens. Remember what I told you, Amber whispers. Take your time and say it even more slowly. Sophia waves her wand and very slowly recites the spell. Poof! The apple turns into a beautiful bouquet of roses. Good work! Fauna smiles. Amber helped me when I almost gave up, says Sophia. A sister's love is the best magic of all, Fauna says. So this is the adventure of Sophia and Amber in her magic class and how she learned that sister's love is the best magic in the world.